Hello friends! Percy the Otter here, and I want to wish you guys a happy summer! Remember to soak up the sunshine, make a few waves of fun, and cherish every moment with your loved ones! I hope you are celebrating the warmth of summer by sharing smiles and good vibes with everyone you meet! Make sure you are creating some memories that float in your heart all year long! Just make sure you keep taking breaks in the shade when you are outside in the sun! I don't want you to feel overwhelmed and tired by the sun! Whether you're swimming in a pool, exploring nature, or just soaking up the sun with your favorite ice cream, let every moment be filled with laughter and adventure! Oh, and remember this, summer is not just a season, it's a state of mind where it fills you up with positivity and happiness! So grab your shades, let your worries float away, and make this summer the best one yet! If you ever feel down or need a friend to talk to, come see me and I will be here to cheer you up! I hope you guys have a splash-tastic summer! Goodbye!